bed on floor against wall. We sex them out till them call me. And the girls them sugar, that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall. One bed on floor against wall. We sex them out till them call me. And the girls them sugar, that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall. Come here, pretty girl. Your body shapes so good. Let me introduce you to a piece of wood.
Baby, can I be your girl?
I think you could, but I don't want to be misunderstood. No mistake. Me no want no girl with all the pretty face. Me want the thinking of the waist and the...
Now this got to be the last take. Yeah, man, that's just realistically how I look at 10 p.m. like. Y'all, this got to be the last take on this. This is me, my natural state. My hair be looking crunchy. Okay. Okay, so this is my last take on this intro. And yes, this is me in my natural state. If y'all don't like it, oh well, still watch me. Still subscribe. Like, realistically, we all need to be realistic. Like 10 p.m. at night, 11 at night, past your bedtime, you are not swooping your edges every night. You're not full face of makeup every night. Now lip gloss, okay. Chapstick, okay. Anything else, bro, you not, bro. So this is me naturally. My edges be, it's like, if I put some water on it, it would just swoop. But yeah, so this is like the intro for tomorrow. To the beach. And that's it. What? Yeah, I'm coming out there right now. In the last one, I didn't even hear the other ones go off, bro. I'm coming right now. Coming right now, bro. Okay, guys. Jemiah, please. Everybody. Okay, bye. Yes, I did. Oh, yeah, I'll do it. Do it. I don't even think that's enough. So I'm really supposed to hold this? Yeah. That's a cocker, man. Ooh! Yeah. So is it done? Okay. It's done for real, or are you checking me? Oh, because I'm about to point it.
Good morning, guys. I don't know if you can see me, but 5:59, almost 6 a.m. And we were having a contest to see who wakes up first, and I'm the first one to wake up. So it was like whoever wake up first after staying up all night has to record everyone. So I'm gonna try to be quiet and go and record everyone.
What you say now? Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I don't mean to say now. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say now. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done. Although it hurts, I know. I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to.
With me, that's a G-way. These hoes can't fuck with me.
I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you.
So I'm gonna change my phone case. Maybe oh, since I wear pink today, I'm gonna do this one. Yeah.
Don't you dare remove your underwear and make me ram it, stick it, jam it without. Y'all forget sex though. Who that ask me why? Y'all is me ask me question from the guy. So how you a act so shy? Me no beg kitty but me da like a blind. Why? Just raise your foot up high. Cause I, yes I believe you can fly straight to the sky.
I told them messy assholes don't speak on me. You know, some others don't be for free. I'm a nigga.
I need to do my classwork. So I have a paper due on Saturday. 1,000 words, easy. It's no less than 1,000. And it's due Saturday. That's good because the topic is real heavy. So it might be more than 1,000. And it has 3 parts to talk about. So this is a lot to talk about, especially if you're doing research. So I haven't looked into it yet, but today's only Tuesday, so I still have time. I keep saying that and then correct me. But these are due tomorrow, Wednesday. Because today's Tuesday, 4th of July. But I don't think I'm going to do any work today. I'm just going to relax. I'm just trying to make sure nothing was due today. And what I do is on Sundays, I open tabs with all the work that is needs to be done for the rest of the week, so that it can keep me on track, that I will always see it like down here. So yeah, these, oh, this one have 10 questions. Let me see how many this one has. 18 questions. Okay, normally she give us like 36, 2 homeworks due Wednesday with 36 questions, and then we always have like this practice one, but the practice one actually have less questions. It has 28. So I can do this tomorrow. Easy peasy. My nose is running, and I need to do my edges, and I need to get my clothes out of the dryer. I mean, out the washing machine, put them in the dryer. So. And I'm listening to music, but yeah, I like this song. TikTok really be putting me on to people that I haven't even heard of. Like,
But no, they didn't. Oh, my tripping. They didn't talk about me. Oh, my eyebrow got sunscreen. No, you wasn't already. They all trying to act like it was up when I got video. It was not. I was sleeping. Yeah, and I'm so glad I got this. And then, you know. First of all, I need to make my bed. But before we do that, I think since we're going to the beach, I'm gonna get these set up. These are the only pickles I have because I gave my other pickles away. Oh no, I got these ones too, but these ones are dingy. And I don't think I'm gonna walk around the beach with this pink slides is real fluffy and comfortable. These are more comfortable. Yeah, get into it. She and me got messed up. I keep saying I need to do my edges. I need to do this. I need that. And I'm not getting to it because I keep finding new stuff that I need to do. But I did find a bag. So this is realistically how I am. I be getting sidetracked all day. And then at the end of the day, I started crying, talking about how I didn't finish what I was supposed to do and how I started the day. So I know I got something else to do. Oh, I need to fold the clothes, do my edges, pack my bag. That's it for right now. Until I start folding stuff and looking through stuff. Oh, I didn't even eat breakfast and it's 9 o'clock in the morning. And guess what? I've been up since 5. Oh no, I need to go get something to eat. I wish my bag was pink. Yeah, I love pink. I'm not sure what I want to pack in my bag. And I'm actually finna grab my phone on the charger right now, so that's why I'm staying in this corner area so I don't put my charger. Okay, so actually I got some stuff in my hand, but most of my stuff that I need that is important. So down there, this is the first aid safety kit, the sunscreen stuff. I'm probably gonna bring that, and then the extra battery pack, and that's probably all I'm gonna grab out of here. And then I got all this stuff here I'm gonna put in the bag. My AirPods, just in case the car ride is either longer than we expect. I need to make my bed too. That's what I was supposed to do. I really want to use it, so it's probably the perfect day to use it.
My jewelry box is under this thing. So my top one, I just got this free because this was, I didn't order this on Shein. It just happened to come in my package. I don't know. It was like a most person thing. But I think I'm gonna choose the anklet. That is, I don't know which one yet. Wait, I ordered, oh, they two of the same, yeah. So those three I can wear, and I can wear these. But yeah, y'all look at these. My new rings. Today I think I'm just gonna wear the silver pink. The silver pink. I didn't have a problem with it, so. Cause they're cute, and they have truthful things on them. Ooh, I just dropped that thing on the floor. But this is an anklet. The butterfly when I throw down. Okay, so we'll wear this one too. Oh my.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend. Like that is
I'm not putting this one on because this one's actually like a,
never let you in.
I think it's a fancy one. That's
Got
not
me face down.
but I
Don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know
Okay,
what you
we're
done
in now.
to me.
I'm gonna do my edges, fold the clothes,
Although it hurts, I know.
do my edges, fold the clothes. I told y'all I possibly knew I done put this lane on.
I don't need you, I
Yeah.
don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you.
Cause girl, them fit, but the fact that you doing it right at the entrance of the door.
I'm not taking my shirt off.
Like, girl, go to a corner.
Shirt off because
What you say now? Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say now. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know. I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you.
His face. This is like, I'm trying to get this photo. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go. Did we steal? Bro, I should have recorded that because we all went back like we stole something. And nobody even came.
To the courthouse. Hold up. We're going to keep going around. Hold up. Nobody did come and check me like, what?
Right, nobody came to check if we steal it. And it could be broken or something. This is a stop sign, so we can walk. Okay. Hold on, y'all. We gotta do this like this. Hey guys, how y'all feeling? Birthday cake. Old berry chair.
I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you.
Stop trying to get saved.
I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love
Right here? These are sparkles, yes.
Is that $16 or $1?
No, this is $8.
Dry up.
$8.
Okay, that's it.
Oh, wait. Y'all don't got sparklers buy one, get one?
Yes, ma'am. These right here. These are the $3 ones following you.
Wait, didn't he hand you 2 packs? Oh no, this 1 pack.
Oh, no, I take these.
That's it. I just y'all balled out the Talia. We finna see Talia. We came back from Target and Walmart. We got everything I needed. I got the edge control stuff to see if it will lay my edges. And so far it's working. But it's hot out here and we already sweating, so. Whew. Yeah, and I need to get my rag and wipe my face. It is hot. Can't wait to get to the beach. But this is the swimsuit. How the car cranking? How'd you get a push con? Oh no, tire trending. Bro, what are you crying about?
Because I'm over here reading the card.
Oh, you don't want to play with him? Yeah, I told him nobody gonna want to play with him if he over here playing that cheating game.
I'm not cheating.
Hold on.
You don't even know how to play.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Roll up the thing. Yeah, people walking to the. Damn. Oh, look at that line of people.
Well, we know we kicking on the damn holiday.
This is the only beach that's closed.
Y'all let's get the phone, get
But mommy, even if we go on another beach, you're gonna be packed probably because people are going to the beach for fun. Put it sideways.
Wally, where? Wally.
I was trying to push the button, but it ain't working. Look at it. We're gonna try to get this thing in the car. Mommy's tiny. Oh, God. Hopefully Mars gonna get this out for us. Dang, this thing is one that is pushing us. There it goes.
But taking Metamucil every day can help. Metamucil
I is sitting right here. I took all my jewelry off because one, the reason I took my jewelry off because I lost this anklet, and you could tell I lost it after I got in the water and after I got a suntan because you can see the two different colors. Oh shit. But
says she's been bitten from head to toe.
I don't know what's been chewing on me, but I know I'm ate up.
I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you.
this one I was saying it sounded like it's trying to spell my name because I have a Y, but this one's starting to get more swollen. But most likely, if they like my blood's good. Oh, it's under my armpit. Well, one is under my armpit and one is behind my armpit. And the camera don't turn off. But one is behind my armpit. I had to take that jewelry off because first I was getting a suntan about it. Okay, so on my camera. But then my I need to wipe this edge control off because it's getting sticky and I'm about to get in water anyways. And yeah, but I lost one of my jewelries. I don't know where they are. But I was fixing up the pool. My camera keeps trying to cut off for some reason. Maybe because it's too hot out here. He don't know what I can get in because like the pool is really deep, but it's only enough water for him. He's 9 years old, so it's enough water for him. To us, it's like only at our ankles. So why is it the phone keep going dark? Yeah, let me just wipe this edge control off and got the beef spray off, and then I'm gonna edit some clips that I had previously, and then I'm going to talk back to you guys when we're doing something. Right now we're just waiting for the pool to fill up and nothing's going on. We're waiting for people to come. It's 6 p.m. actually, and I've been up this whole time. I haven't taken a nap yet. I might fall asleep in the chair while we wait for the water, because the water literally, it takes 3,182 gallons of water, and we just started filling it at 5:30, and it's already like 6 p.m. It's 6 o'clock. We're gonna do fireworks, so I'm gonna record that too. I gotta tell y'all, so it was a change of plans, so we ended up going to Walmart and buying a pool instead, because one, by the time like we got there, like they only open at 11 and they close at 8 p.m. And then by the time we got there, like the traffic was like back all the way up. And then when we did find somewhere where we can park, they only accepted cash. So we went to Bank of America to like try to get the cash. And then once we went back, the spot, like they had cones covering it saying they were too full and they wasn't accepting no more cars. So then we tried to go back around and see how long the line was for like the park and stuff to get inside the to the beach area. And basically like the police like blocked that whole area, so we wasn't able to go in there. So then we tried to go to another area where we seen people jumping the fence, which I think I put that clip in here. People like jumping the fence from a different area, even though they wasn't allowed in because the police literally blocked the whole entrance. So they found another entrance, and then they like the whole family was like jumping the gate. And they was the only family. It was like multiple people jumping the gate at the one area to get to the other side. But yeah, it was gonna be a far walk regardless of wherever it was parked. So decided to go help on my pool. My sister helped my mom get the pool for her money, and yeah. But then I helped set it up, and now they're in it. And I'm gonna get in once it's filled. It's still filling up though. Yeah. But yeah, I almost forgot to tell y'all that part. Cause y'all can be like, well, where these random clips from? I thought they was going to the beach. I thought it was beach day. Yeah, it was beach day, but today is just, we're gonna call it pool day. And I think me and my little brother are like telepathic. Cause all day we kept saying pool. Can't wait to get in the pool. Can't wait to get in the pool. And we meant to say we couldn't wait to get into the beach water. And we just kept saying pool. And then now look at us getting in the pool. So like, it's like we knew on this way. I don't know. But yeah, that's all I had to say. And then I think I told you about my jewelry taking off because of that. I lost more of my jewelry. Yeah, that's all. So the next time I talk to y'all, I'm going to either be inside the pool or we're going to be lighting up fireworks. So yeah, talk to you later. Chasing waterfall. I don't know.
I got it from movie. Spring. I show past spring. But then the song.
Y'all finna get in.
Watch out.
But it's not even through. Look at it. I'm about to get in, y'all. Let me put my phone up, y'all. Because I don't want it to get wet and it's about to die. So I want it to be charged for later. My mom was just trying, because I was trying to come here and put my phone on the charger. And it... she had like a flying ant bug, something on her. I done grabbed her neck. I just started choking. I didn't mean to be too aggressive, bro. Okay, let me chill out. That was so funny. Hey, y'all, I'm out of the water. Oh, that's where I'm gonna go. Hey, y'all, I'm out of the water. I don't get back in, but oh shoot, I done left it. Y'all done left the sausages on the grill. I'm probably not gonna eat those. Forget them. Just let them see how I'm burning again. Look at this boy just. Where did it go? Oh. I'm like, why it take so long to? Huh? Why would you drop it right here? Then why would your finger slip?
What you say now? Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me.
Bro, what's taking you so long?
It hurts, I know.
I cut my finger, y'all. Ooh. And it's ashy. I cut my finger or I burnt it. Either one. But up close with the light on, it looks ashy.
You trying to light it?
Like what?
The bottle.
She almost jumped through it.
Don't do it. Don't let it run. Don't let it run.
You jumped through it. Y'all crazy. soak this with water after you use it.
I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you.
Dun, 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 dun. You got one more motor. Don't do it, don't do it.
Why the freak would you do that? What you miss put it down and fall to the side? Exactly.
And look, it's just the time I took over. I don't know if we should back up or not, but back up. What's happening? It has 42 shots, so y'all better not go. It says 42. Oh, I don't know. What the fuck was that? Tommy's phone.
I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want
I thought you ripped the fuse off. I'm like, damn.
Bruh. Should I leave this? Or let me just go over here and light this one. Light that green thing. Back up. Yep. You got it, bro. I don't know what this one does, but I broke it already. Let's go. Yeah, bro. Remember I broke it? That's the one. My burger. And we're gonna light more later. They're in the pool right now. I don't want to listen to my music. So, I'm not gonna be recording for a while. Yeah, I'm gonna light this last mortal that I've been lighting all night. Oh, what? I don't have no matches. I don't think I can do it at the same time. Let me see. I'm gonna put it under my chin because I forgot to bring my. Taya, come here. So nobody want to hold my phone, and I'm trying to light it. So. That's the last one for sure. They doing pop it. Mortal. There. Okay guys, so I'm watching Amazon Prime or Prime Video, whatever you want to call it. The night is ending, and it is 11:54. We're gonna end my night at 11:54. We stopped doing fireworks about 20-30 minutes ago. Took a shower. Every ones we have left, we're gonna pop tomorrow, but I don't think I'm gonna make a vlog of it because that's what I think we're gonna do tomorrow. if y'all don't see this video before tomorrow, the 5th, most likely I added this first. But yeah, that's all. I had a good, hectic kind of day. You know, everybody was hot, aggravated with each other. Yeah, especially with the part where we was driving everywhere, doing everything, and I was up since like 5, 6 a.m. And you know, when I went around and record everyone, I woke them up kind of, you know, subconsciously woke them up because they were like still laying in their bed. They was up. And we all been up since then. Like, we haven't slept. We literally been on the road, just going. And then we didn't even get to do like the beach trip that we really wanted to. And since this is our first time here, like, we never even been to the beach here, so yeah, we really wanted to go. But it'll have to either happen another time or it just will never happen here. But yeah, that is all. My arm is actually hurting from recording all day. I've been trying to use the tripod, but the tripod does not hold my phone, and it keeps dropping my phone. I don't know what I need to do with this, but so thank you guys for tuning in. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Toodles.